Hey guys, welcome to our vlogs. For today's video is magva-vlog lang ko sa ako ang intern. And it means END. Kunya turn dayon, intern. Kay mo rin niya mo ang final or culmination day sa among internship, no? So ayun, paingon ako ana, and no to sayo kayo ko kay lagi maupa para mag-arrange sa lamisa. Kauban din ako si Victor na classmate na ako sa intern. So nagnaw namin yun sa una mo ni lamisa ang si Plastada ni, and kami doa wala kabalo, no idea as in kung saan ang Plastada ni moto. Nagchat ko sa mga president kung saan ni siya. So taas mo kayo siyang video, time-lapse na lang nato ni and with background sound. So enjoy watching. Moto pagkauman nangabot din ang umang classmate og naplasta na sa tanan, mga lamisa, bangko, tanan. Hindi pagkauman nagdayran dayon mi sa amo ang information para unya kay wala pa man ang mga teachers o mga faculty staff. Moto pagkauman magdayran awan na video na pusing-pusing unya para murag-correct ba. Ya moto pagkauman ato balik din mi plaster sa room.
Especially to our FS teacher, our internship teacher, which is our Ma'am Lee. Ma'am, we would like to thank you. We would like to, in behalf of supervising instructor, Sir Chandra, helping them go through this past 2 months of internship. Dahil naman yun ang theoretical knowledge sa practical na yun, nga na-anagigad dito as sa field. And without those cooperating teachers, I don't think makaya po na mo. And also especially sa mo ang head sa mong department, si Ma'am Yakapin. Motor, would like also to express my gratitude sa past 2 months. Sabi na, mag-start ka lang na mo din, Ma'am. Grabe nga support o tabang dyan, Ma'am, no? Okay, yun na ako makaya, Ma'am. Wala mo. Kung gabi na kang Sir Pads, Filipino Head Department, Department Head, Sir Vanes.
the junior high school, the faculty, and everybody who gave all their dedication and passion in teaching, so that our students will be able to lead the students of the future generation. To you, once again, thank you.
Nagmahay ko manong di man ko sa Techbox School ng eskwela. Nakapali ko kabalo magluto. Okay, so congratulations on completing your internship. It has been a pleasure for all of us to witness your growth and development throughout this experience.
Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too.